Hello everyone, I'm Prerna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm gonna show you 9 easy and basic patterns by using lines. These lines can be straight, can be parallel, can be intersecting, can be perpendicular, and can be diagonal too. As I am showing you here. These simple lines can create this much beautiful illusion like patterns. This is just so relaxing to see this. This time I am using pencil for shading and a flat brush to smudge this. Here you can see how beautiful it turned out. I'm gonna apply this pencil shading in all these patterns. It creates a 3D effect somehow. Keep following these simple patterns as I am showing you. And if you are enjoying this tutorial, please hit the like button. It motivates me to making more helpful tutorials for you. And yes, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming video notifications. And keep repeating the shading when patterns complete, like I'm doing. For all the material details, please check the description below. I am mainly using Sakura Micron pens of different numbers. For thick lines, I am using Cello Ultrafine marker. Again start shading. It's going to be my favorite part now. See how nicely it turned out. I hope you are enjoying this part too. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Zentangle is like a therapy. This improves our focusing skills too. Try this out and let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about this one? If you have any questions regarding my tutorials or anything, just comment down below. I'll definitely reply back to you. If you like my tutorials, please share with your friends and family. And do check more basic tutorials on Zentangle pattern on my Zentangle tutorial playlist. I hope you will find this helpful. And yes, one more thing I want to tell you. I use Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and Behance for amazing and creative ideas. You can follow me there too. If you are an art lover, I'm sure you would love these apps. Okay, so here it is, all 9 basic and easy patterns done. I hope you will find this helpful. I create a small piece of work by using these patterns. This is for supporting Black Lives Matter. All colors are beautiful, so stop this racism. We rise by lifting others. Please remember this. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for all the love and support you gave me. Keep supporting and take care of yourself and others too. Lots of love. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.